channel. Today we're going to do another styling video using this little complot. But before we get started, if this is your first time here, please take one moment to hit the subscribe button, tippity tap the bell, give me a thumbs up, and also drop a comment down to say hello. If you're returning, thanks so much for coming back this week. Like I said, we're going to be doing another styling video and I'm super pumped about it. I just want to show you guys what I live in on an everyday basis when I'm not being overly fabulous. I just really enjoy being comfortable overall, but also looking good at the same time, because you just never know what you're going to get into, and I just like to look fabulous for all types of events. So I am a sucker for a cold word set. I will link the video where I show you guys where I got these from down below in the description box, but I just want to show you what you could do with simply just a crew neck and then switching up your bottoms and switching up kind of accessories to make an outfit a little bit more fabulous. Because right now I'm giving you real, I just want to be in my room, not really trying to do nothing, I'm just chillaxing. But we're going to spice this up just a little bit, and that way you guys can see what these outfits have to offer. So first things first, of course, I'm wearing this black crew neck. I'm going to crop her though because she's giving me a little bit too conservative and I want to be a little bit more risque, you know what I mean? So you can tuck this in your bra if you want to, like up under it if you want it to stay. I personally just like to just fold it up and just bring it basically just to cover the top of my boobs. So this is a very warm outfit, but on a good cool day, this is what you want to do. Just put these sneakers that I got from AliExpress on. They have black, but they also have like a hint of yellow and blue on them, which I think is going to be really cool because since the outfit is so dark, you want to add a little pizzazz, a little bit of color here and there, and just add a little splash of color. Nothing too dramatic, but also I wouldn't want to wear black shoes with this all black outfit that I have going on. I'm going to just add on my favorite bomber jacket. Okay, this is also from the men's section. I got this from City Trend like 3 years ago, and I haven't been able to let my girl go since. But yeah, I just feel like this is such a mood. So the bomber jacket definitely just, it does it for me. Like, I feel super sleek and cool and chic in this. So, I mean, are you not feeling it? Because I am. I just popped on this gold chain. Not too flashy, but enough to give you a little, you know what I mean? And 9 times out of 10, I'm wearing my fanny with this because I just, when I wear sweats, I just want something, like I said, I'm trying to be comfortable. And I like to just cross my fanny across the front of me. So this is outfit number 1. Very simple, but she's serving you looks. You know what I mean? So this is like my errands outfit, and I'm just living my life. Next, I just popped on some biker shorts. Now for this, you can leave your sweater cropped, or you can just kind of let her fall, which I kind of like a little bit better. It's a little bit more relaxed, you know what I mean? Since I have my legs out, I don't really want my stomach to be out, so that's why I like to just drop my sweaters down. I just feel like that's a lot for me to be trying to keep up with and pulling and readjusting, so we just gonna have to do one, and that's just the biker short pull for the evening. You see my tube socks. I have her yanked up, but we're gonna shrink her down. These are like literally some of my face sneakers that I've ever gotten from AliExpress in my life. I absolutely love these things. They make me feel like I'm a Spice Girl, and they're giving you neutral nudes. Love her. So I have the shoes on with my tube socks. Y'all, when I say this is, I just feel like I'm giving you, I'm about to go to the gym and slay, but I'm not gonna work out. I'm just here to be cute. I'm giving you sporty chic realness. I just live for the biker short tube sock combo. I feel like I'm about to do my own workout video, and it just makes me happy. So from here, this is already a fit. Honestly, I'm wearing this out the house. I have the same little necklace on, giving me a little something, and I'm ready to hit the streets. But I just feel like the leather jacket combo, this is my favorite jacket. I got this from Rue 21 years ago because I wanted one that was cropped, and I feel like the cropped is very important because I had a regular one that was long, the moto jacket, and I hated it. It was just too long, and it just looked crazy if I wasn't wearing leggings. So that's why I went and got the cropped one, and I've had this for a few years as well. But look at what she just did to the fit, dog. Can we take a moment to just get into this? Look at what the leather jacket did to the outfit. Look at her go. I just get emotional thinking about it. Last but not least, I'm going to add my face. This is one of my favorite fannies. I got this from Rainbow and I was like, I need her, and she doesn't do me wrong. She also has like a hand warmer section right here, so you can just kill him with the hold. I just look at this. Are we not serving sporty chic biker cheetah girl vibes? I love this. All right, so the last thing I put on are some leggings, guys. I don't really wear leggings anymore like I used to. Like in college, these were the girls for me. Now I don't really care for leggings that much. I really love biker shorts. I just don't like to have my whole leg covered, and I think it stems from like wearing stockings in private school growing up. I just really do not care for stockings. It just makes me feel like itchy all day, and so that's why I don't really care for leggings. But I really do like the look of having the leggings and being able to pull the socks over them, so that way you're still able to have the tube sock look while also your feet are completely covered, so it's like it looks like you're wearing pants, you know what I mean? Like it's giving. But with this I would definitely crop, because you know you need a little bit of skin to show since it's so uniform and it's all black. Because the leggings and the sweater are just so long and covering up, I don't feel like you really need a jacket or anything to kind of cover this. This is more of like a nice cool day breeze and you're just on the go. So I feel like it's very simple, just really cute sneaks, tube socks that be popping out because you want a little bit of white to show, and then you just have a cute bag and you're ready to go. All right guys, that is the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed styling this crew neck with me, because listen, there's a lot of ways to be comfortable and still serve a look, and I just want to be able to show you guys that. That's why accessories are very important. I'm starting to learn, like for me, I would rather invest in purses, accessories like sunglasses and jewelry, and then also a jacket that's like really dope, because I wear such plain clothing that I always have to kind of sauce things up, and it's just the easiest way. So like to know that I got this from Walmart for under $10 is like chef's kiss. And then these leggings too, like you can get leggings from Walmart for $5, so essentially you can have this whole outfit for $10. And then if you have a nice statement shoe, an investment piece is shoes as well. So if you have a statement shoe and then a statement bag that are pricey, but then your actual clothing pieces weren't too pricey, you're actually, you know, you're meshing in a life of fashion and frugality. And I mean, where can you go wrong when you're saving but also still serving and also having timeless pieces? It's just a big circle of life, of love that we love in fashion. I love you guys so much. If you have any questions, any suggestions, any cool pieces that you are really into these days, please let me know down in the comment section below. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.